Good afternoon, fellow traders. I've been away a little while because I've been battling cold and hay fever for the past 10 weeks. I've just regained my strength. That is why I haven't posted video in a while. So today I want to talk about a few things that scalpers should know, the do's and don'ts. So first, most of all, trading and scalping is not for, this business is not for people who are smart. If you are smart, people with 3.95, 4.0 GPA, when they come into trading or scalping, they want a perfect score. And most of them, when things go wrong for them, they can't just handle it, taking a few losses. But like I always say, trading or investment banking is a business, and as business makes losses, so will you make a loss. So you have to get to grips of it. Other than that, one losing trade will mess up your day. And when you are scalping, you should also know your rules. Okay, when you are scalping, you should know your rules. You should have a maximum 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 amount that you're willing to lose depending on your account size. So let's say if you've got 10,000 account size, you say I'm willing to lose only 500 this day today. So once you lose that amount, you are gone, and you should have your target. All it takes is 267 a day in order to make 6 figures in a year. So once you lose your trade, you hit your minimum losing trade, or the amount you're willing to lose in a day, or the profit target you're looking for the day. When you hit it, finish, log off your computer and go. And two, you have to trade with a stop loss in place. I just put in a stop loss. There are people who believe that they can have their stop loss in their mind. So if they are in this trade here, they think, oh, my stop loss is here, so once I get there, I'm going to close it. But the fact of the matter is, not everybody can do it, especially newbie traders. When I'm scalping the US 30, I don't put a stop loss because it's a fast moving market, but I'm disciplined enough to know that this is where my stop loss is. So if price gets there quickly, I close the trade. When I started my trading earlier on, I wasn't using stop loss, and I've been punished enough. Okay, so always have a stop loss in place. And two, you should have a routine. You have to look at the big picture every day. When the market closes, you have to look at your watch list and put your watch list on your charts or on a notebook or on a spreadsheet, so you know that tomorrow these are the market I'm going to look for opportunities, because they are set up for sell or they are set up for buy. Okay. And four, my daily routine, I wake up around 3 a.m. every day. So I do my jogging, I do my meditation by 6 o'clock. I've had my shower, and I do my meditation, and I'll be ready for work. This keep my brains very, very sharp. So these are the things that quickly I wanted to tell you today. And also the prop trading firm. Earlier on, I gave a review about people putting on a lot of bad comment in their review. And I've gone on and I've spoken to people, and I've known people personally who traded and they've been paid. So you can see, because I'm doing their um, challenge to get funded. So you can see that's a demo here, because this is their challenge done to get the funded. So I'll bring you update of that. So because I'm starting this week, I got this account on Monday and I wanted to test the platform and see, and everything is looked good. So they are legit company, they are not as scammers. Is that people sometimes when they lose they become bitter. So the last aspect of what I wanted to say is take responsibility of your actions. Don't blame everybody and leave your, because if you do that, you do that till you die. Because every time something happens, you blame everybody around you but yourself. And most of the time, what you lacking is that the problem comes from yourself, not anybody. It's just you. You are the problem. You are your own problem, and you are your own worst enemy. So know this, darlings, know this, and do it and take responsibility. That is going to help you. So without much I said, the sixth or seventh thing I've lost count is that trading requires a lot of practice. Okay, you need a lot of charting done in order to be perfect, and in this market is not perfect, so you need to be practicing all the time. Yes, you need to be practicing all the time in order to get to the grips and sharpen your skills. Remember, Bolt have to train for 20 years in order to run just for 4 seconds and earn 112 million. So that's how it is. Once you practice, I have practiced enough to know when my buy is and when my stop loss is. And with the coming of prop firms offering contractors way to trade earning 50% minimum, 70%, guys, this is an incredible opportunity to make a lot of money and become financially free for yourself and your family. So this is what I've brought to you today, and I hope that you find this video entertaining. I'll leave the link to the prop firm there, and everybody who is interested can take a look, but do your discretion. I'm not promoting any service here. I'm just doing my own advice, so I'm not doing my own videos, and you need to do your due diligence before. Thank you and have a good day, and see you. Bye bye.